This video, we're going to be talking about how to use the PayPal mass payment feature. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is go to paypal.com and log in into your business account. Once you've done that, make sure that your account is in good standings. Then you want to simply go to the mass pay section, and then you want to simply go ahead and click on pay and get paid from the top menu and select mass payments. Once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and click on choose pay a list of people to send payments to multiple recipients and click on continue. Then you want to simply go ahead and download the PayPal template, Excel or CSV, and add recipient's detail, email, first name, last name, and amount, and upload the file back to PayPal. Once you review the total number of the payments and the amount, check for errors in the recipient list and click on next to continue. Once you've done that, choose your funding source and ensure you have sufficient balance and simply click on send payments. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries,